Hey y'all, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today I have a fabulous haul. If you ladies and gentlemen are interested or trying to get your collection for the bee theme or the home, what is it called? The honeycomb thing, you know, like for your kitchen, I have a super deal. Hopefully that you're able to find them in your store, and I found them at the Dollar General. I have been on the hunt, I guess, for the past 2 months. You know, they're bringing out all the spring items, and slowly but surely I am trying to get my bee and my lemon collection together, because that's what I'm going to be doing in my kitchen, and that will be, you know, like my summer table. So let me show you what I found at an awesome deal. So I'm going to start off with the coffee cups. They had these that says be happy. They also had them that says be kind and be unique, but I choose this one, and these were $3. As you can see, the Dollar General sticker, and inside is yellow, and that's the thing that I'm trying to go for my kitchen. So I thought these were really nice, and these are really heavy, so hopefully you'll be able to find these in your Dollar General. So I got these, and while I was down that aisle where the coffee cups were, I found these ramekins in the yellow, and these were $1 a piece. So I picked up 4 of these. These are going to go pretty on a nice summer tablescape, whether you're doing a bee theme or a lemon theme, or just, you know, yellow and white table decor. Next, I am so happy to show you. This is what I was on the hunt for. I have been searching for the honeycomb with the bee emblem, and this is the utensil holder. This is Cimarec, and these were $5. And you know, this is where you put your spoons, spatulas, and you know, all that, you know, for your utensils. And I got 2 of these for $10. Now, you know, if you were to find these in Home Goods and, you know, another type of store, they would run you about $12.99. Now, I haven't seen this decor, any bee items yet in Home Goods, or, you know, all the other fabulous stores. But for $5, I was not passing it up. So this was $10 for 2, which is an awesome deal. And then next I found the canisters. Try to get up on the camera and see the bee. And it has a beautiful lid with the bee on top. Beautiful. Hopefully you can pick up the honeycomb. And these were $6. Can you believe that? $6. I bought 5 of them for $30. Now, I've been doing a lot of research, like I said, on at the different stores, and my favorite place to shop is Amazon. I have not come across the canisters, so I really cannot compare the prices, but I know you are not going to be able to find these for $6. So lastly in my haul, I went online again to Amazon and was looking for the honeycomb items, bee items, and I came across this set. Get it out the box for you. It is in yellow with the B. This is the creamer. And I thought it was, oh, there's the lid. This is the creamer. And here is the sugar jar with the B lid. Isn't that fabulous? And you're not going to believe how much I paid for this. It was originally $24.95, $25. And right now, if you're able to get them, they have 34% off, which knocked it down to $16.35. Look how fabulous this is. So that is my little, well, it's not too little. Oh, and I forgot, I didn't even realize it came with a spoon, and this spoon is really heavy. So I guess it would go in there like that. Put the lid on. I didn't even know that it came. Wow. Okay, so the spoon is in there. Very, very nice set. So you would say about $8.50 a piece. Of course, if you're Prime, then you have your free shipping. So I'm gonna get this wrapped up, I am not going to be using it right away. And alright, so while I have you on the camera, I'm going to show you a real quick and easy way to upgrade your canisters. So off camera, I used my Silhouette Cameo 4 machine, and I used the Dollar Tree vinyl in gold or yellow. You went into my stash and I found that. Printing out the word sugar, flour, sticking together, cookies, and coffee. And take the lid off this one carefully, and I'm going to turn it around that way. So I don't want to cover the bing, you can see it, and I think I'm going to put it right here. I'm just going to scrub, press down hard on here so I can get the vinyl to stick to the tape. And then I'm just going to pull it apart. There we go. Like so. And I am going to lay it down on the container. Just like that. And just use the squeezy device, and hopefully if I did it right. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I finally got it off, and the other three I will do off camera, and I will be back to show you what they look like. But isn't that fabulous of how I just updated these containers real quick. So I'll be back. I'm going to get the other three done, and I'll show you how they came out. That in there, and then these are just small onions. That's what they're looking like. So we're going to get these back on the stove. The canisters, and here is the flour, and my coffee. I did one for the sugar, one for cookies. The grandkids get here. And I have an extra one that I did not put anything on because I'm not sure what I'm going to use that one for. But we're just going to sit that up there like so. And then my coffee station is over here. And I'll be showing that to y'all soon. Alright, so I got everything done. I think they came out fabulous and they look gorgeous on your counters. And that is the plain one. So I hope that you liked this video. If so, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me a lovely comment. And let me know if you find these at your Dollar General. Remember, these were only $6 a piece. And the utensil one, these right here, were $5 a piece. And they really look, you know, nice and expensive, you know, in your kitchen. And I'm going to give you a look back. Very, very pretty. And when I get done decorating, you know, sit my little bee there. That is the thing that I am going for. And like I, you know, to reiterate, like I said, this to me was a fabulous, fabulous find to find these at a reasonable price. All right, y'all, and as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see y'all in another video. Be on the lookout for my new coffee station setup, and I'll talk to y'all later.